Connecting Kudo internet involves physically setting up the modem, waiting for the indicator lights to confirm network synchronization, and connecting your devices using the Wi-Fi credentials printed on the modem. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the modem does: the Kudo modem receives the internet signal through a coaxial cable connection, similar to cable broadband services. The modem processes the signal and broadcasts Wi-Fi for local devices. Indicator lights show the status of power, network synchronization, and wireless activity. Step 1. Connect the coaxial cable. Locate the coaxial cable outlet on your wall. Take the coaxial cable provided in your Kudo modem box. Connect one end to the wall outlet. Connect the other end to the cable or RF port on the back of the Kudo modem. Tighten both ends using your fingers to ensure a secure connection. Step 2. Power on the modem. Take the power adapter and plug it into the power port on the back of the modem. Plug the other end into an active wall power outlet. The modem should turn on automatically. Step 3. Wait for connection lights. Look at the indicator lights on the front of the modem. The lights will begin flashing while the modem connects to the Kudo network. This process normally takes between 2 and 5 minutes. Wait until you see 2 solid blue lights and the Wi-Fi light turned on. These lights indicate that the modem is fully connected to the internet and ready for use. Step 4. Connect your devices. Find the sticker on the back or bottom of the modem. The sticker displays the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and the default Wi-Fi password. On your phone or other device, open Wi-Fi settings. Select the network name shown on the sticker. Enter the password exactly as written. Once connected, your device will have access to the internet through the Kudo modem. Limitation: the default Wi-Fi password is case-sensitive and must be entered exactly. If the lights do not become solid blue within 5 to 10 minutes, the modem may not be receiving a signal from the wall outlet. Contact Kudo support to verify that your coaxial line is active. This setup is best suited for users in areas where Kudo provides cable-based broadband service.